Hey, Michael Church here with crawlspaceninja.com, and we got a question relating to the Panasonic Whisper fan that we have available on our website, so stay tuned. So recently we had someone write us about the installation of the Panasonic Whisper fan, and if you don't know what this fan is, it's about a 120 CFM fan that is designed to pull air out of the crawl space, typically a conditioned crawl space, but it could also be used in a situation if you're not closing the vents and all that. It's just a ventilation fan. You can even use it to pull the bathroom air out. It's actually designed to do bathrooms and different things like that. But the gentleman wanted to know, could he mount the fan right up against the vent of the crawl space? And there's a possibility. The only thing about the Panasonic Whisper fan is it's kind of bulky. It's about this big and it's kind of hard to lodge it up against a crawl space vent. So what we recommend that you do is you go ahead and add on when you're checking out. There's a 4-inch ducting kit and also a dryer vent 4-inch duct that looks like a dryer vent flap. Whenever the dryer vent's on, it opens and blows the air out. So all of that can be purchased on the website. So if you're trying to duct the air of the crawl space out of a vent, you want to make sure that you get that ducting kit. So anyway, hope that answers that question, and please let us know if you have any other questions about the Panasonic fan or the Lamanco PCV1 fan if you're looking to ventilate your crawl space. Again, my name is Michael Church, and down below we've got this new guide that we're releasing. It's top 3 asthma triggering allergens, okay? So I got a link down below if you want to check it out. And my name is Michael Church for crawlspaceninja.com, and we hope you make it a happy and blessed day. Thanks for watching.